Mexico, 82 people. 1 year before the revolution. Yeah. The comandante Fidel Castro.
Brand new building.
This is the Palacio Presidencial.
Oh, right.
Now this is the Museum of the Revolution.
Okay, Museum of the Revolution, yeah. This was where Batista was living?
Yes.
So that's where the old president lived, and after the revolution they took over. That was his house.
This is the original tank.
Holy moly. The tank. It's so strange to see that.
This way, this is the factory for the Cuban cigar.
Cigars?
Yeah. It's a for fryer. Long time.
Fire.
Crazy baby? Capital.
Washington.
Capital, yeah. Rapid. Sloppy Joe Park.
Oh, Sloppy Joe, yeah, I read that. Sloppy Joe. Probably as good.
The Plaza Hotel. Center Park Hotel. Yep. This area is the Center Park.
Central Park.
In the Tebra Hotel.
Yes.
It's a very big theater. It's the Alonso Theater. Now the dancing school for ballet.
Ballet school.
Yeah.
Holy schmoly, let's look. Capitolio. So this Capitolio.
The Capitol. Now for the reference, it's in the Parliament, the Capitol.
No talking. Okay. Cinema.
The yellow red, the king chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yes, the school for the boxing.
Look at this, the green.
The Saratoga Hotel. Yes, the hospedaje Saratoga. Hospedaje for Joseph and Rolling Stone, Las Kardashian.
Right. Oh, that's the Rolling Stones stayed there.